Here's a surprising statistic. Running burns more calories per minute than nearly any other cardio exercise. In fact, a 160-pound person can burn around 606 calories per hour running at a moderate pace, while a 200-pound person burns around 755 calories during the same time frame. For anyone looking to shed pounds, that sounds like a pretty effective weight loss tool, right? But is running really the magic solution when it comes to weight loss? Let's take a deeper dive into how running affects your body, what you should expect, and how to maximize your results. How does running help with weight loss? At its core, weight loss is a simple equation. You need to burn more calories than you consume. Running, as a high-intensity cardiovascular exercise, is great for burning calories, making it a useful tool in your weight loss arsenal. But there's more to it than just lacing up your sneakers and hitting the pavement. When you run, your body uses a lot of energy, especially if you maintain a steady pace or include interval training. This helps create a caloric deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Furthermore, running boosts your metabolism not only during the workout, but also for hours afterward, a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate, even after you've finished your run. Additionally, running builds lean muscle, particularly in your legs, glutes, and core. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest, further contributing to weight loss over time. Running alone won't do the trick. While running can certainly help you lose weight, there's an important caveat. Running alone may not be enough. Many people mistakenly believe that they can eat whatever they want as long as they run regularly. Unfortunately, that's not the case. If you consume more calories than you burn, no matter how much you run, you won't lose weight. In fact, overestimating how many calories you burn while running can lead to overeating, which can actually cause weight gain. To lose weight effectively, running needs to be combined with a balanced diet that focuses on creating a sustainable calorie deficit. It's also important to track your food intake and not rely solely on exercise to offset poor eating habits. The role of intensity and variety. The intensity and variety of your running routine are key factors in determining how much weight you lose. While steady-state running can burn calories, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be even more effective. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of sprinting or faster-paced running and periods of lower-intensity jogging or walking. This method has been shown to burn more fat and improve cardiovascular fitness in less time. Incorporating hill sprints or varying your terrain, such as running on trails, can also challenge your muscles differently and burn more calories. The more you push your body with varying intensity and terrain, the more you'll stimulate fat loss. The importance of strength training. If you're running regularly but aren't seeing the weight loss results you'd hoped for, it might be because you're missing one crucial component: strength training. While running burns calories, it's not the most effective way to build muscle. Adding resistance training, using weights or bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, helps build muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. So, does running help you lose weight? The answer is yes, if you do it right. Running can be an excellent part of your weight loss strategy when combined with a healthy, calorie-controlled diet, strength training, and adequate rest. It helps burn calories, improves cardiovascular fitness, and boosts metabolism, all of which are key components in losing weight. However, running alone won't work magic. To achieve your goals, it's important to adopt a holistic approach that includes good nutrition and a varied fitness routine. If you're consistent and mindful of your overall lifestyle, running can definitely help you shed those extra pounds and improve your health along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.